For every horse that needs a saddle, there's a truck that needs a bumper. And just like horses, trucks get stuff done. So we make heavy-duty bumper kits to help you do more. More adventure, more work, more capability. Our products are made from American steel, cut and bent right here in Lowestown, Montana. Each kit is designed specifically for your vehicle, and we don't make it until you order it. No middleman, no distributors. Just great bumper kits shipped right to your door. No two vehicles are the same, so every kit can be customized to you. Winch mounts, light holes, and protection options give you exactly what you need when you need it. Got questions? Our customer service team is just a call or email away.
We're real people and we're ready to help.
We stand behind our bumper kits because we spent years making them the best that they can be. We use them, we love them, and we know you will too.